This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai IX35 SE, stock reference number 3913. The shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage with camera. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors have one small dent each. Right power door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with leather interior in black leather center console lid, automatic type console with seat heaters, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, owner's manual and service books in the dealer's case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, a tidy 4-spoke black leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons, and also a set of 4 factory floor mats. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.